Hey guys, I'm back doing a mini restore tour today. Gotta travel up for work to northern Wisconsin, so I thought I'd stop some places along the way. These are a lot of restores I stop on a lot of my frequent trips, so good deal for $1. Design house, ugly light kit. Heritage, although it looks slightly better than some of the Heritage I've seen. That thing's been here since the last time I was here. There's a Hunter box. What's in it? Oh, a generic pendant. That's underwhelming. They tried to charge me like $10, $20 for this box of mounting brackets last time I was here. That's why it's still here. A lot of HID stuff. Those red floodlights might be cool for Christmas. Nothing standing out to me. Okay, well, I'm going to keep moving. If I notice anything else before I leave this store, I'll start the camera again. If not, I'll pick up at the next restore. Thanks for watching.